Fourth thing you want to do after the battery's fully charged, this is your battery. It says slide in the fully charged battery until it locks. That's the locking sound. Remove the battery by pressing the locking tab and sliding the battery to the rear of the breeze. Oh, I got it backwards, but we're going to do it to the side. And there you go. When you're taking it in and out though, this is one thing that I didn't like, where you're going to use your leverage. Every time you like go to take it out, you're hitting the power button. I'm afraid that this thing's going to go on and take my hand off. Future redesign, something to take into account. You know, maybe the button in the front, button on the side would have made sense. You know, we got one side that has nothing on it except some little sticker. We got the other side which has the connect to it and download. You're not going to get very long videos out of this. This is not a professional drone. This is a high-made, high-quality 4K drone for the normal man that doesn't want to spend $1,000. Hope that was simple.